To edit general pages on the site, if you actually hit the Pages drop down menu and select all pages, you'll notice that all the pages are actually listed in that area there. If you click on the About Us, for example, it'll bring up the main editor window. What you have there is the screen itself, so that's basically the content you can edit on the page. So that's an image for the time being, so we need to replace the image, and then the text you can just type over if you want from the start. And this yellow thing on the About Us page is basically your Google map that gets pulled through. Now to edit it, the menu itself, you've got the usual options of bold, italic, strike through. You can do bulleted list, quote marks, your alignment, left, centre and right align. To add a link to a bit of text or an image, if you select either the image or the text, click the little link button, and then you've got two options. You can either paste or type the URL in at the top of the page, or what you can do is then actually look for existing content on the site. So basically it intelligently realises all the pages on the site and it'll say which one do you want to actually link to. So if we wanted to link to the hair page, we just select the hair and it automatically puts the link in for you. Once you've finished, if you click the add link, then that will actually update it. You can actually remove links once you've put them onto the page. You've got a spell checker on the screen as well, don't need to worry about them. Different styling, if you make sure that all the main body text on the page is set to paragraph, you can actually use the headings tag, which basically changes the size of the text on the screen. You've got an underline, you can change the colour of the text if you need to, and more colours brings up every single colour that's available on the internet. You've then got two options. You can either type the text in yourself within this editor window, or you can actually paste it in. Beware if you paste it in from Microsoft Word, because the text can go funny, so I advise against using Microsoft Word if you can, because basically it's got loads of other bits that write code as well, so and that interferes with all the CMS systems. If you do it in from Word, rather than just pasting it in, use the option there with a W, which is paste from Word. And if you're really unsure, there's a little rubber next to that where if you select the text and hit the remove formatting, that will make it plain text again. So if you ever have any problems, always go for the rubber tool for that. If you need to insert any special characters like Euro symbols, we've got the option of all the characters to insert there rather than looking for it on your keyboard. You've got the options to tab in the text if need be as well, and you've got the undo facility on there. If anybody who's editing the site knows HTML, you've also got the HTML window, so you can actually code straight away for that page. And if we ignore the page attributes, I'll hide that for when we do that, you won't need that. The SEO I'll cover off in a separate session, and then you've got your revisions again, like as we covered off in the previous option, so you can actually roll back if you make a mistake throughout the site. And that's the general overview really.